Hey guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video we're back with the 80. We're doing a rebuild on her, as you would have seen in the last rig rundown. Just pulling the front end apart. I'm just going to be taking off all the light surrounds, the intercooler. So yeah, stick with us and we'll show you what we're doing. Alright, so we just unplugged all the necessary wires and now we're just going to take the headlights out. Alright, there we go. So that's that. Alright, so we've just taken the intercooler off and all the intercooler piping. Basically what we want for when we're basically ready to take the engine out is just a bare engine. Like, that's all we want. We don't want everything else out. At the moment we're not entirely sure if the trailer we're using has a winch to winch the car on, so we're going to leave the radiator and everything else in for the moment until we find out if it has a winch. If not, yeah, we're just going to have to leave the radiator in and then just have to deal with that when we take the engine out. But ideally we want the radiator and everything else out, so all that we have to do is unbolt the engine mounts. Damage to my radiator. Waha! You can see that, I can see through the radiator. So yeah, she was lucky to actually not give way, but we will definitely be replacing this when we put the engine back together. Voila!
Alrighty guys, so it's the next day now. And we've taken the rear bar off yesterday, Arvo, brought it down the back, and we're sanding it up to give it a fresh coat of jet black paint. But yeah, we got the new bar here. Its front is painted, we just hung it up so we can do the other side, or the underside there. But yeah, we're sanding the rear bar now. Get all the bar work looking smick.
Alright, so as you just would have seen, we just did the first coat on the rear bar. It's looking really good. The first coat on the back of the bull bar is also dry. We decided to not do a second coat on the back of the bull bar just because obviously it's the back of the bull bar. We don't want to also waste paint because we've only got so much here with us today. It is a Sunday, so not many paint shops open, and we only want to use like the right products. We don't want to just go mixing like random stuff. So we're just going to do a second coat on the rear bar now, and then we'll leave it for 8 hours to fully cure. So let's go.
Alright, so now that the bar work is all drying, we're now back out the front. We're going to take the roof rack and the awnings off the A series. Hopefully, we're hoping the roof rack actually fits the GQ, so we can just go straight from there onto the GQ, and then yeah, because the GQ is going to be a little bit more of the wheeling vehicle because it's got the front locker and all of that, and this is going to be more of a touring vehicle, which is why we're building it for reliability. So let's get ready, taking this off, and let's go.
Alright, so we ended up getting the roof rack off the 80. As you can see, it is now on the GQ over there, as you can see. The GQ looks really good with a roof rack. There she is. No tough to her at the moment. She's looking a bit sad. That'll probably be it until next weekend. We're going to probably swap over the driver's side door to the new one, or not new one, but the second-hand one with no scratches or marks on it. I'll swap that over, and the passenger side door seal also needs to be swapped over, and I'll be pulling the 12 volt out tomorrow, so I might also show you guys a bit of that. Alright, so we're back with the 80 again today. In today's little snippet, we will be taking out all of this 12 volt mess that we have here, as we will be creating our own gull wings. So today I've basically gone and got all the steel, all the struts, everything to make the gull wings. So I'll be doing that. So I've got the battery there, box, fuse box there, all these wires here. I'm probably going to take the fridge out as well, possibly. Clean up all this area down here and down there. And yeah, I'll film a little bit and show you guys what I'm doing. Alright, so first I'm just going to be unbolting this fuse box just so I can get access to the inside to pull out some of the wires. Alright, so I've got that off. Now I've just got to deal with this pile of mess here. And yeah, I'm just going to take all these excess bits off that are all connected via the outside here. So we're just going to pull off, I think it's just Velcro. Yeah, there we go.
In next week's episode, we rip the engine out and start the ground up rebuild. We start stripping the motor apart, getting it outside, and giving everything a good clean. So stay tuned and subscribe.